Are you ready to start your own government contracting business but don't know where to begin? What if I told you the step-by-step guide that you've been waiting for is finally here? It's here! And it's on our Black Friday and holiday list. You can't afford to miss it! Stay with me for the next 2 minutes and find out how my course can take you from confused to confident in government contracting world, and why now is the best time to grab it. Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa J. Williams, and I've helped countless of entrepreneurs launch successful government contracting business. My Black Friday and holiday offer gives you access to my complete step-by-step course designed to simplify the entire process. No guesswork, no confusion, just results. Here's what's inside. You'll learn how to register your business. You'll learn how to find lucrative government contracts. You'll learn how to write winning proposals and even scale your operations for maximum profitability. It's not just theory, guys. It's a complete guide packed with actionable steps. Do you think getting government contracts is too complicated? Think again. With this course, you'll see how easy and rewarding it can be. And here's the best part. This Black Friday, I'm offering an exclusive 50% discount. You heard it, 50%. That means you'll get a life-changing course for less than the price of a fancy dinner. Imagine where you could be a year from now, finally running your dream business. Want to get rich by starting a government contracting business? Just comment Black Friday if you're interested so we can start working together. Don't wait, this deal ends soon. Click the link on the description and grab your spot in my course and start the business that you deserve today, even if you're just curious. I also offer a free one-on-one call so I can discuss more things about your business. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn and get more ideas about government contracting. All right, I can't wait to see you inside the course and hear your success story. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Let's make government contracting dream a reality. Start right now.